Welcome back to Insta everyone. So I'm going to go over and update you guys on OCGN. OCGN had a major breakout today on huge news that they had. They're working on a COVID vaccine with Barrett Biotech. The WHO, the World Health Organization, gave Barrett Biotech the okay to use their COVID vaccine. We're going to see if we can pick up a volume going to tomorrow with OCGN, which exact indicators I would be looking for to have a continuation, and which exact levels I would be looking to see if we can continue on past going to pre-market to have this strong momentum possibly going to tomorrow, going to open, how exactly I would be playing into it if we did get this momentum, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's remember this one. So OCGN had major news today. I'm going to go over exactly how this played out today, what exactly we would be looking for to have this continuation, what exactly would give us that confirmation on that momentum. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts of the day. Today we mentioned OCGN's WHO news at about $7.75, jumping out to around $8.75 on the day, looking to see if we can continue here. And also we did mention ATER testing $15, jumping up to around $19.90 on the day, going to extended hours, looking to see if we can continue there as well. We mentioned that video in the one before this. And also we mentioned LIFE in the video before this. If you guys want to see what might happen there, we mentioned them since pre-market, jumping up from $6 all up to $10.50 on the day on a 70% breakout on the day. And also we mentioned DTSS in pre-market at about $2.10, jumping up to around $2.70 on the day, up about 30% on that breakout. So if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And as you guys can see here on OCGN, we have been continuing on up with the news that we did have. Again, going to extended hours, looking to see if we can hold the 20-moving average above the 50 to show us that we do have a continuation on momentum to give us that possible push going to tomorrow. And as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we had that spike, looking to see if we can continue with that momentum to hold over that 850 mark that we have been getting rejected multiple times to the upside today with, and ultimately backing up here on the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we are trying to break above here. So again, here on the 4-hour chart, we had our descending wedge, and then we had our major breakout previously in this chart. And then we have been continuously selling off since then, consolidating recently, looking to see if we can get a spike from this consolidation. And in my opinion, we very much do have news that could push us. We're going to see if we can get that push. Again, holding over 850 going to tomorrow. And then our next resistance and our continuation sell-off point that we did have here at $10 is very key for us going to tomorrow, in my opinion. Holding over $10 and breaking above it would be the safer play, in my opinion. Again, holding over $10 and then breaking over 11.05. Again, we did get that rejection to the upside at about 11.05. If you guys remember the spike that we did have and our continuation sell off from then. So holding over $10 going to tomorrow and then breaking over that 11.05 mark to have that possible gap up here to going around $13 where we did have our continuation sell off as well, to get that possible major breakout here at about $13 to get that continuation, in my opinion. OCGN, with the news that they have with a possible vaccine that they could be getting approved from, could be a possible breakout and a possible catalyst going to tomorrow. We're going to make sure you do keep it on watch for this momentum. As you guys can see here on the 4-hour, we did have that increase in buy pressure, looking to see if we can continue. And as you guys can see going to today, we did have that increase in sell pressure, looking to see if we can continue with this momentum. As you guys can see back on the 5-minute chart with the MACD, you guys can see we have been getting that increase in buy pressure. Overall throughout the day, you guys can see we have been decreasing in sell pressure, looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure going to tomorrow. And in my opinion, decreasing in sell pressure throughout the day is very much what we want to see for that possible continuation. We're going to make sure we do get that increase in buy pressure. We could be setting our alert here right above our previous buy pressure point to make sure we do get confirmation on that momentum. But again, with this momentum and breaking over $10 and 11.05, of course, would be very key. But again, OCGN definitely on the watch to hold over $10 with that momentum. And in my opinion, to get that momentum that we are looking for is to break above our previous buy pressure point to get that strong push. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'd be doing. Again, back on the 4-hour chart, we do have our major resistances that we have been getting here at $10, 11.05 on the continuation sell-off, and then here at $13 on that continuation sell-off to get that strong push and strong breakout that we're looking for here on OCGN. But again, OCGN, WHO news, possible vaccine play, major possible breakout going to tomorrow. We're going to make sure you do keep them on watch, see what happens going to pre-market. In my opinion, with OCGN, holding over $10 going to pre-market would be extremely bullish for us, in my opinion, to have a possible continuation. But again, at this point in time, we're trying to make sure we can break back over 850 and continue on up to test that $10 mark going to tomorrow. So again, OCGN definitely on the watch, but again, only on the watch to get that confirmation on the 5-minute with that buy pressure, and again, to hold over $10 going to tomorrow. So again, if you guys want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts of the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below. below. And you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert through the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instabulls that have been supporting the channel every single day, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.